What's going on, everybody? Ooh, it's hot. It's popping. Okay, so the hubby is making some brown butter sage sauce. So he put in some butter, some minced garlic, and he just dropped the sage in. Fresh from the garden. And now he's adding some, what type of potatoes? Just purple potatoes? Is that what it's called? These are not from my garden, but I am growing some red potatoes and some russet potatoes this year. Okay, so he boiled these potatoes and then gently or lightly mashed them or smash them before putting them in the sauce. Woo wee! I wish y'all could smell it. It's a lot of potatoes. And that is some lemon thyme straight from the garden. And he's adding a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And covering. Check that out. Kapow! Got some chicken on the grill. I think he's making it a little bit hotter. Is that what you're doing? Making it hotter? Here's the herbs, y'all. The cilantro is going to seed. Look at those pretty flowers. And got the sage down here. And some rosemary and some lemon thyme. Okay, adding a few wood chips. What kind of wood chips are these? Cherry barbecue. There we go. Cherry barbecue smoking chips. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh, the smell. Okay, so apparently he used these wood chips as well. Hickory barbecue. Just trying some things out. It looks and smells delicious to me. Work it, boy. Yep, Daddy's cooking purple potatoes. Jump. One.
I already see. From there.
You see it? Isn't that cool? They're so pretty.
Funny.
It smells a little funny. Alright, we're covering them back up. And how long should you leave them covered? So just keep the potatoes covered for about 7 to 10 minutes to give some time for the potatoes to tender up a little bit and for the sauce to and the herbs to work its magic. But that's it. Thank you for watching.